So what do you have there? The thing is crazy. Is that a Rovin?
No.
It looks like a Rovin 360 LT. Hobby Wing Max 5 G2. Oh, that's gonna blow the tires right off. Let's rip it. That was a tumble there. Well, I gotta say, this has to be the beastliest truck that I own. Truck, buggy, whatever you want to call it.
Pretty savage.
It's terrifying when it drives by you, actually. It feels like you're gonna die. If this thing was to hit you, I don't think you'd survive.
I know, it's scary.
I think it would literally, it would be equivalent to a great white shark biting your legs off. That's about what it would, that's what it would be like, in my opinion. I think I'm gonna nickname this the Great White.
I don't think I want to find out.
It is a great white shark of RC cars. This thing is insane. And super tough, by the way.
That thing was eating it up, man. Super
tough. This has the 30° north platform going on. It is a Losi 5B, so very similar to the Losi 5T. These arms are stout, these thick nylon arms. Surprisingly, the Rovin shocks have held up great. I did go through the differentials and put silicone earplugs in every diff, front, center, and rear. Hobby Wing Max 5 G2 system, 800 kV combo in there. Kill Racing makes some awesome tires. These things are bead locked and they hold out the 12S power. They hold up really, really good. And they hook up well. And I've been driving them on the street because these are old. And
they're still taking it.
They're still going good. So some of the knobs have busted off, but other than that, I mean, they've taken some serious abuse. And yeah, the chassis alone is 70-75 and it's 5 mils thick. So this truck is worth every penny. If you want a super solid beast, go to Fearless RC and buy it. Problem is, it comes as a gas truck. It doesn't come like this. I had to invest a considerable amount of money to get it to this point, another $1,000 or so. But well worth it. Well worth it. All right, as always, you know what to do. Peace out.